and welcome back. So today we're going to be looking at how you set alerts on TradingView, but not just any alerts on TradingView that involves price crossing a certain point, but customized trading alerts. These are alerts that you can get from an indicator, with the indicator having the built-in alert call function. So depending on what indicator you're using will depend on the kind of alerts available to you. Okay, so to run through how you set these alerts, we're going to do it on the ArtiumPro SMC 2.2 just to give you an idea of how it works. It works the same for all indicators, okay? So if you went onto the ArtiumPro sessions, you would be able to set your alerts the same way, your ArtiumPro multi-time frame fair value gap, okay? And you would be able to set them exactly the same, okay? So it's simply using the alert call function. So what I've done is I've dropped down to the 30-second time frame so that we can get some price moving quicker and not having to wait for the alerts. So hopefully I'll catch an alert here where we can demonstrate it live. So what I'm going to do here is I've got the ArtiumPro SMC on my chart. I have most things turned off other than market structure, so you can see it's printed market structure here with main break of structures. Now if we have a main swing high here, if this crosses and closes above this line will change to a change of character, indicating a possible change in direction of what is currently a bearish trend. If this happens, I will want to be notified that we've had a change of character and we've got an order block. What we'll do is we'll come to alerts here and we'll choose ArtiumPro SMC 2.2 and we leave it right on this any alert function call. That means that it will call the alert that you have specified inside of your indicator. Now, if you don't know what alert you've specified inside your indicator, all you have to do is come across to your indicator settings and scroll to where your alerts are listed. Okay, they're on the bottom for ArtiumPros. Okay, and you can see here the alerts. You can be alerted when you get a main swing high, a main swing low, a main change of character, break of structure, a bullish order block, a bearish order block. This is main swing structure, okay? Internal swing high, internal swing low, and so on and so forth. You can read through these. So I want to know if we're going to get a main change of character. I'm going to turn these off. And if we do get a main change of character, I know that we're going bearish right now. If we get a change of character, it's going to be bullish. And so I'll get a main bullish order block, okay? And they're what I want to know. So I'm going to have them on and click OK. And then my alert function call remains as it is, and that's going to call those two functions we just specified on the indicator settings. Okay, then you can choose how long you want this to be valid for. Okay, so I just want this to be valid for now because I'm watching for this to happen. All right, but you can choose how long you want it to be valid for with the calendar. I think if you have a free account, you only have a limited time that you can keep them open for, but just check as per your own subscription level with TradingView. Okay, and then how do you want to get notified? Do you want to be notified on the app? I do if I'm on my phone. I don't want to be having to sit at the computer, so I have it notify me on my phone. It will show a pop-up and this will show on the screen right here. You can also choose to send an email, or you can choose to send a webhook. Okay, now I'm not going to go into webhooks right now, but you could send a webhook to anywhere. If you set a webhook up here, you can send your alerts into a Discord channel or a Telegram channel or wherever you would like to receive them. Okay, so this is what the default name is going to be for your alert. Okay, and I literally just delete all of this because I don't want to see all of the alert argument. Okay, so I just delete it. So all I want to know really is the chart that it's on and the time frame that it's on, because the notification is going to tell me what's actually occurred. So I'm going to type in Euro USD and then it's on the 30-second chart, and then anything else that you would want to know, you can put that in there. If you wanted to put chalk, you could. If you wanted to put OB, you could. Okay, so let's just leave it at that. And then I click create. Okay, the change of character happened already. So let's drop down to the 15-second and see what else we could get. Now, if price moves back down here, we'll get another change your character to the downside. But basically that's all you do. Let me see if I can grab something on an even lower time frame. Okay, now if you do set that, your alert, and then you go to another time frame and you see that you need another alert for something else, okay, you have to set the alert again, just the same as you would for regular alerts. You have to set it per time frame. Okay, so the one that you set on the 30-second is not going to apply to the 5-second chart. So if you want to see if we're going to get a change of character here, okay, you need to set the same alert, okay, on the 5-second chart. So you can go back in, you make sure that you've got your alerts set, okay, and let's put on both. All right, in fact, let's put on this. If I put on all four, it doesn't matter what's going to happen, I'll get an alert for each. Okay, so I'm just going to click them on. All right, and then we've already had the change of character here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the alerts. I'm going to change this to ArtiumPro SMC, leave any alert function call, and do exactly the same again. This time I'm going to call it Euro USD 5-second. Okay, and because I don't know what it's going to call, because I chose 4 options, I don't know what it's going to call, so that's all I'm going to put on it. So if I click create here, okay, at some point we should see an alert for something happen. Okay, we got alerts on the 5-second chart here, so we can see what's happened is we got the Euro USD 5-second alert on a bearish break of structure. Okay, so it's been verified in the main market structure, and you can click this and it will take you to the chart the alert was triggered on, and when you get in there you can see we have got a break of structure. Okay, so if you like to, for instance, use this with a strategy, you want to know when you're going to get a change of character, and then that's going to give you an order block, and you want to be able to know when the start of a setup has occurred, you can look for that with an alert. Just set your alert to get a main change of character, and the order block will come with it. Okay, and then you can get on the chart and you can start to look for entries or whatever your strategy. That was a little bit loud. I'll turn that down. Apologies if that blew your eardrums out. Yeah, so it's really simple, okay, and that's how you set an alert using an indicator. And you don't see order blocks right now because I have the order blocks turned off. Some people like to just get the market structure plotted, an imbalance, and mark in their own order blocks. Okay, so maybe you'd put an order block here because this order block is preceded by a imbalance and an imbalance here. Okay, I wouldn't be putting an order block here because it's too close to the structure. I want to see it further down. Okay, and you could also put an order block here, but here there's no imbalance above it, so likely it'll hit this and bounce from here, but we'll just wait and see. It might blow straight through because we are bearish here. So that is also the risk of doing a counter trend. And I haven't looked at the higher time frame to see where we are. We're actually inside of a 15-minute order block. It's got small imbalance just above it, so if we react in here, that will be the reason for that. And what you can do is you can turn on main market structure order blocks here, and you can see where order blocks would be drawn for you in this leg, and it's drawn it in the same place I would have drawn it anyway. That's ArtiumPro, just a few of the things that it does and how you can use the alerts with an indicator, so you can get custom alerts based on your strategy and based on what you want to see. And that will be everything on this quick video today. I hope that tutorial did help you out. If you got value from this tutorial, please leave the video a like and put down in the comments any other helpful videos you would like to see in the future, anything we can do to help you out. let us know. We'd love to provide you the information, and if we don't know it, we'll do our best to find it out for you. Enjoy the rest of your week. Oh, there we go, another alert gone off. So guys, enjoy the rest of your week, have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. If you want to try ArtiumPro SMC 2.2, you can go to, I've dropped a link to the website, you can go over to the website and have a look there. To get started, you can do it for just $1, you get full access for 7 days, and you can join us in Discord as well and ask any questions and just share your trades, share your profits, share your losses, and talk with other traders. Have a great weekend. Oh, and while you're at it, do me a solid and go and subscribe to the channel. Happy trading. Since we were looking at this chart whilst we was doing the alerts video, and this trade looks like it might play out beautifully, I'm going to leave this running to see if the trade plays out so that you can watch it live and see how the price reacts, and also see how the ArtiumPro SMC indicator lines up